Hello and welcome back to day 3 of IELTS Speaking. In this we are going to discuss the cue card topic, and I'll take the example of the one which I gave you earlier, which was describe a day when you woke up early in the morning. So I'll tell you how you can utilize that 1 minute that you get for preparation very effectively and how you can speak your content in 2 minutes. So first of all, if you have prepared your topics beforehand, it will be very helpful to you. You can go through the list of topics before appearing for your IELTS speaking. It will give you a lot of help, because if you have not prepared the topics, or if you don't know what kind of topics may be asked to you, then maybe that 1 minute would be less for you for the preparation of that topic, because it happens sometimes the topic comes just out of the blue and you just black out at that time, like what to speak here, Hana. So at that time it would be very helpful, it would be beneficial for you if you have given one read to the topics that can be asked to you. And that also I'd provide you a list of that, the topics that can be there in the cue card, the most commonly typed commonly asked questions. Also we have a separate video for that. So in this video, let us discuss the topic that is describe a time you got up early. Okay, so first of all, you need to know that what is the format of this. Yes, of course. आपको लग रहा होगा कि writing थोड़ी है तो कैसा format and everything, but actually while you speak your cue card, at that time also it is good if you follow a little bit of formatting. That is, while you start your cue card, always give a good introduction to it. Yes, हमेशा एक अच्छे, अगर आप इंट्रोडक्शन से एक इंट्रो लाइन के साथ, जनरल लाइन के साथ अपना क्यू कार्ड शुरू करोगे, so it would be very beneficial for you. Secondly, always introduce your topic. Whatever topic you are speaking on, always introduce it. Never just go like it happened dash years ago and I was there. You just started out, but don't do like this. Always introduce your topic first give an intro line, the general line for that, and then introduce your topic, and then begin with the content, like when did this happen and the other questions. And in the last also, you should always conclude that topic. Like, you don't have to say in conclusion, to conclude, but you can use these words like all in all, this was the time when I woke up really early and it was a great experience. If it was not nice, you can say it was an awful experience. So this is how you can conclude your cue cards, so that the interviewer would know. If you know how to start it, you know how to end it also. As the clock hit 5, I experienced the calmest morning of my life. The birds were chirping, there was a cold breeze coming out of trees. It was so serene to watch that nature, to be in that atmosphere, to be at that time. And I actually had a whale of time in that journey. There was no traffic on the roads. We reached there in time, and also we had some extra time to have fun on that trip because we started our journey early. So yes, this was the time when I woke up early in the morning, and actually I must say it was a red letter day for me, and I was really tickled pink at that time. So this was one sample which I just gave you of IELTS speaking. This is how you have to answer your question. Be very natural while speaking. Be very interested with your topic. Like, don't just give the answer to that. Feel that answer. Be very natural. Like, interviewers should actually know that you are actually, very interested in sharing the story of yours. So this is how you need to answer. So yes, what points do you need to take care of? That in 1 minute, if you have not for beforehand prepare your content, then yes, prepare that content in 1 minute. Just note down the bullet points, what you are going to speak, just the bullet points of that. And if you have already done it, what you can do, you can jot down the vocabulary that you are going to speak in the next 2 minutes. So you can write down those words, those idioms, whatever you're going to use in that 2 minutes. You can write it down at that time. So this is how you answer your cue card. And stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll be discussing the follow-ups of this. How you can go for the introduction is speak anything, any general line you can think of. Just it should be related to the topic. So how you can go? Well, to be honest, I hate being an early bird. I have never liked waking up early in the morning since my childhood. But there were several times when I had to do it, and here I would like to describe about that one time when I had to wake up really early because we had a trip planned ahead of us. So this is how you can introduce your topic. Introduction दो पहले उसका एक अच्छा सा कि what are you going to speak, tell that, and then you have to start with your content. Like now you need to start answering those sub questions. When did this happen? So for answering this question, you can use several phrases like, if my memory serves me well, it happened 2 years ago. Or you can say that I vividly remember it happened in the last summers, in the vacations of last summers. So this is how you can answer the question that when did this happen, by using these phrases. I vaguely remember it happened somewhere around December. Like this you can start your answers for the question of when. Now you need to frame up your story. So if you're using that 1 minute to make that story, then what you can do is just note down some bullet points which you can have as the catch-ups when you are speaking at length in those 2 minutes. So just note down some bullet points so that if you start fumbling in between, or if you don't remember what to speak ahead, so you can just look at them and you can start speaking it again. So that would be your catch-up points. So now you need to frame a story, and always remember that a cue card story would be a good story. आपको कोई भी any question that might be there in the world of for this, so you can answer it very beautifully if you always start with the background of the story. So you can make a story here that my father planned a trip to Shimla as it was really hot and humid in our area during May and June, in the month of May and June. So my father planned a trip and we all decided to go. But my father eventually decided that we should start our journey early in the morning, that is at 4 o'clock. I was excited to listen it, but also a little disappointed, as I mentioned that I hated waking up early. But as I was also so much enthusiastic for the journey, I just geared up myself that I had to do this. I had to wake up the next morning, and I need to do all the packings, and I need to help my mother, my father in each of the stuff. So the next day, my father woke me up at 2 o'clock in the morning. It was actually really early for me, and I just started helping my parents and helping them in packing all stuff, and I also got ready. Everything was happening on time.